Hello, Namaste, how are you all? Here in my place, that is in Maharashtra, it rains heavily. So I always remember when it rains heavily here, what might be the condition of the places where they get highest rainfall in the world. That is my second home, Meghalaya, and the other northeastern parts of India. You are knowing these places are varied, and at the same time, in olden days at least, they were least visited. But now the days are changing. Now many visitors, tourists go and visit these places and understand how beautiful the areas are. You are knowing, before independence, the whole region was known as Assam province. But it was finally divided among 7 separate states, which are called as 7 sisters. That is Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram. You are knowing it is different than other part of the countries. We are having many different tribes living there, but you are knowing they are very close to nature and are very well behaved, very kind and very helpful. And even the languages they speak are different. Just yesterday, I heard that in Arunachal Pradesh alone, over 50 distinct languages are spoken. Just imagine. So, it is a very nice place to visit. I don't know what might be the condition now, because in our place it rains so heavily, so we find it difficult to go out. And that is why I thought of, if you want any help, what I can, if I can do anything for you, my dear brothers and sisters, please let me know. If I can, whatever I can, whatever is in my hand, I can do that. As I told, whatever I can do for you, I am ready to do, because you are so loving, so helpful people. And that is why I feel that many visitors, let them visit your place so that you whatever business or whatever, it will grow up. And another thing what I have noticed is, people are why they might be very loving, though they are living in the remote areas, though they are tribal, because they are very near to nature. You change yourself as you come out and come far away from nature. If you are near to the nature, you are really, what I can say, authentic, true. And even nowadays, I have seen that many of the foreign visitors also have started visiting your place, they too like it. They too love it. Especially your caves and all. You are knowing, beautiful. Nowhere else I have seen so many caves. And really it is something, and very important is you have been able to keep them intact. Otherwise, in our places, in some of the places, we had whatever the forts and all of the olden days. But now, you can only tell that it is a fort area. You can't see the fort or nothing. But you people, you have been able to keep them intact. And that is why I find the fragrance of nature there. I find the fragrance of love, reality, and at least the clouds, they have attracted me a lot. Like you people only, they are also very loving, very touching. So I felt that many days have passed, I haven't spoken to you. I thought, let me speak to you, my brothers and sisters of Meghalaya and Northeast. If you feel that we can do something for you, I am ready to take the initiative, and we will do it for you. So I want you to speak about it, because the necessity, your necessities may not be understood by us when we visit for 8 or 10 days. And you know, it is not easy to understand the things. But I saw the schools and all were running well. Especially even I saw Ramakrishna Mission and some of the Christian missionaries and all. They have helped a lot to grow education and spread education in your place. And that is why I was very, what I can say, happy to see that you are having the IITs, you are having the law schools. So you people are educated, helpful, very nice. So I am sure whatever you want, we are ready to do for your sake. Whatever is in our hands. It is not, we are not gods, or we are not Ambanis, and we are not rich or anything. But whatever we can. For example, by the videos, I can tell about your places, and when I come to your place, mostly within 2-3 months, I may come there. At that time, we will meet together. We can have a lot of videos of that place, and we can show to the world how beautiful is our Meghalaya and the Northeast. And very, what I can say, near to nature, people very true, very loving, and I don't have other words to explain you, because what I have learned, what I have seen, what I have experienced, it is more than anything. There are no words. It is only within me what I can. That is why I love you all, and that is why I call. Always I tell, Meghalaya is my second home. So my dear, loving brothers and sisters, What about the rains there? Because in my place it rains heavily. Even my granddaughter had a holiday for school yesterday because of the heavy rains. How you are all going on? Take care of you, take care of your family, and have a happy life. Please let me know how are you all, because daily I remember you. Have a nice day.